Tom Lowell was a permanent American illustrator and painter, renowned for his depiction of the American West and historical subjects. Born on 5th February 1909 in New York City, Lowell developed a passion for art and early age. His interest in historical themes was sparked by his father's stories about the Civil War, which Love would later credit as a significant influence on his career. Over his lifetime, Lowell became one of the most respected illustrators of his era, celebrated for his attention to detail, compositional skill, and ability to bring historical scenes vividly to life. Lowell's early years in New York were marked by an instable curiosity about the past and a love for drawing. He would often visit museums and pore over history books, fascinated by the events and people who shaped the world. Lowell attended Syracuse University, where he studied at the College of Fine Arts and graduated in 1931. During his time at Syracuse, Lowell was introduced to the burgeoning world of pulp magazine, which became an essential part of his early career. His talent was evident early on, and he quickly became a sought after illustrator for a variety of pulp publications, which were eminently popular during the Great Depression. In the 1930s and 40s, Lowell illustrations were featured in numerous pulp magazines, including Adventures, American Weekly, and Collier's. His work was characterized by a strong narrative quality, often depicting dramatic movement filled with tension and emotion. Lowell's skill in using light and shadow to create mood and his meticulous attention to historical accuracy set him apart from his peers. He had a knack for capturing the essence of a story in a single image, a skill that made him a favorite among editor and readers alike. During World War II, Lowell served as an artist for the Marine Corps, creating paintings and illustrations that depicted the experience of soldiers in combat. His period of his career further honed his ability to capture the human experience as he focused on themes of heroism, sacrifice, and the harsh realities of war. Lowell's war art was highly regarded and was included in exhibition at the National Gallery of Art and other prestigious venues. After the war, Lowell transitioned from commercial illustration to fine art. His focus shifted to Western art and historical subjects, eras where he felt the could explore his passion for history more deeply. Loyal became known for his paintings of Native American life, frontier settlement, and cowboy culture. His work were celebrated for their authenticity and narrative power, often telling stories of life on the frontier or significant event in American history. Loyal's commitment to historical accuracy was a hallmark of his work. He conducted extensive treasure research for each painting, often consulting with historians, visiting historical sites, and studying period artifacts. This dedication to detail is evident in his paintings, which often feature accurate depiction of clothing, viewpoint, and setting. Loyal's ability to blend historical research with artistic creativity resulted in works that were both educational and visually compelling. Loyal's contribution to the art world were widely recognized during his lifetime. He was a member of the Society of Illustration and the Cowboy Artist of America, an organization that he helped found in 1965. His work received numerous awards, including the prestigious Price D. West Award from the National Cowboy and Western Heritage Museum. Loyal's paintings are part of the collection of several major museums, including the Smithsonian American Art Museum and the National Cowboy and Western Heritage Museum. In addition to his technical skill and historical accuracy, Lear's work is celebrated for its emotional depth and narrative clarity. His paintings often convey a scenes of drama and movement, drawing viewers into the scene and encouraging theme to imagine the story unfolding before their eyes. His storytelling ability, combined with his meticulous attention to detail, has made Loyal one of the most beloved illustrators and painters of his time. Tom Lewis passed away on 29 June 1997 in Saint New Mexico. His death marked the end of an era from American illustration and Western art. His legacy continues to influence artistic today, particularly those working in historical and narrative art. Lois' commitment to research, his passion for storytelling, and his technical skill have left an indelible mark on the art world. Tom Lehrer's life and work stand as a testament to the power of art to bring history to life. His painting not only depict historical events but also invite viewers to engage with the past in a meaningful way. Through his art, Lowell has ensured that the stories of the American West and other historical periods will continue to be told for generation to come. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel and share my video with family and friends and others people.